गाइस वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आयुर्वेदा भास्किंग। तो आप सबके पेपर अच्छे से चल ही रहे होंगे। टुडे वी विल गोइंग टू डिस्कस द द्रव्य गुणा पेपर 1। तो some student ask me include this questions also so that in this PDF you can revise the LAQ and SAQ that are more important. So I have included full paper in this PDF and we are going to discuss the MCQ. First question is द्रव्य गुणा शास्त्र deals with। तो अगर आप द्रव्य गुणा की डेफिनेशन देखेंगे तो उसमें आपका तीनों आ जाता है, द्रव्य गुणा कर्म प्रयोग। सो राइट आंसर ऑल ऑफ द अबव हो जाएगा। आहार द्रव्य आर प्रीडोमिनेंट बाय आहार द्रव्य इज रसा डोमिनेंट एंड औषध द्रव्य आर वीर्य डोमिनेंट। दैट इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट। सरो डैश परि प्रोक्ता। तो सरो जो है वो हमारा अनुलोमना होता है। सो अनुलोमना एग्जाम्पल इज हरीतकी, दैट इज टर्मिनेलिया चेबुला। कर्मा से क्वेश्चन है। भोजन अग्रे सताम पथ्यम। सो बिफोर ईटिंग द भोजना वी शुड टेक लवणा और आद्रका। दैट इज वन रेफरेंस इज गिवन फॉर प्रॉपर दीपना पाचना एक्शन। राइट आंसर ए एंड बी। रस विपाका बाद इज अ सिनोनिम ऑफ इट्स अ त्रिविध विपाका बिकॉज देयर वी आर सीइंग मधुर रसा इज फॉर्मिंग मधुर विपाका, अम्ल रसा फॉर्मिंग अम्ल विपाका एंड कटु तिक्त कषाय रसा विद कटु विपाका। वीर्य इज द एक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द्रव्य इज अकॉर्डिंग टू यादव जी त्रिगाम जी। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन से आपका रिपीट हो सकता है। Rasa will be suppressed by Vipaka, Virya, Prabhava when they possess Prabala. So out of them, if Vipaka is a Prabala, then it will suppress Rasa, and if Virya is Prabala, it will suppress the Vipaka. Next question is Pragna Sthapna Karma remove the visation of Ritu Kshetra Bija because they will cause a dosha dushti imbalance remove and that can lead to the fertility. Drug bank refer to the identified drug candidate. This question is repeated in so many papers, so it is important. Gokshura is included. So Gokshura is one of the Panchamula, that is Gokshura, Brihati, Kantikari, Shalipani, Prishnaparni. So Dashamula is basically Brihat Panchamula and Lagu Panchamula, and Kantaka Panchamula is Karmada, Trikantika, Sahireka, Shatavari, Gridnaka. So all of the above is the right answer. Kimshuka, name of the Palash. So Kimshuka means flower resembling like the beak of parrot. So it is example of Upma, that is a synonym of Palasha. Bheshaja Pariksha Vidhi is explained in which sthana? Is explained in Vimana Sthana 8th chapter. Ideal season to collect pushpa and phala. So according to Charka, this question is wrong. According to Charka, the ideal time is according to the flowering and fruiting season. When a particular plant have a flower or fruiting, that is the ideal season to collect. But according to Sushruta, phala collecting season mentioned is Grishma. Conservation of medicinal plant promote good agriculture practice, good collection practice and good storage practice. Next question is substitute for Meda and Mahameda according to Bhav Mishra is a Shatavari. For Kakoli and Shir Kakoli is Ashwagandha. Jivaka and Rishabhakam is Vidari Kanda and Riddhi and Vriddhi is Varahi Kanda. Solvent used to extract alcohol soluble component is ethyl alcohol. National Pharmacovigilance Coordination Center for ASU drug is situated in the All India Institute of Ayurveda New Delhi. ये भी आपका एक important question है. Spark is a studentship program for Ayurveda research ring is a full form and it's coming under CCRS, and now 2025-2026 is Spark 4.0 is going on. Vriksha Ayurveda of Surapala consists of 21 section. Who introduced network pharmacology? Hopkins. Next question is Karkasha, Durgandha, Sugandha, Vyavai, Vikashi, Ashukari Guna are mentioned by the Sushruta exceptionally. Following is not a Mahakashaya. So Purish Viranjaniam is not a Mahakashaya. He is mentioned like Muttar Viranjaniam, Muttar Sangrahim and Muttar Viranjaniam. Muttar diuretic, antidiuretic and coloring of urine, normalization of urination, these are mentioned in Mahakashaya, but Purish Viranjaniam is not mentioned. The process of data utilization is known as data mining. These are some important questions from the last chapters of the Dravya Guna paper 1. In situ ex situ conservation is objective of NMBB, National Medicine Plant Board. Rasa Bahulyam is Varsha Ritu is Amla Rasa. So every Ritu have one Rasa dominant. In Varsha it is Amla. Then Vrishya Karma of Shundi because of its Madhura Vipaka, because usually Katu Rasa don't have any property of Vrishya, but this Shundi is having Madhura Vipaka, that's why it's called Vrishya. Science and activity relating to detection, assessment, prevention and side effect is pharmacovigilance. Ativisha is a substitute with the Musta. Kritmalka is an example of Sramsana, that is mild purgative. Aragvada. Guna Viryavada is related with the Paribhashikiya Viryavada. Then Achirkala is a Lakshana of Laghu because Chirkala taking long time for digestion is a Guru, so Achirkala is a Laghu. GFCP refer to good field collection practice, so you Don't skip all this full form. They are asking so many papers. Dash does not comes under classification of Dravya Utpatti Veda. Utpatti Veda is basically Panch Bhautikam, like Parthiva is there, Apya is there, Aganya is there. So Jangma is not inside that. It is Yoni Veda. Following is not mentioned among Trikarshika. Guduchi is not mentioned. Shundi, Ativisha, Mustar, Trikarshika. Sulfonylureas comes under. It's an oral anti-diabetic drug where it is increased to increase insulin secretion and increase the sensitivity and decreasing the resistance. Yavaka and Masha example of Dhatu Pardushana. In Dravya chapter it is given example what are the Dhatu Samya Pardushana or Svastvritta examples. Medya karma of Sankapushp is because of its Prabhava. Mala Parvartana is a karma of Sara Guna because Sara is Anulomana. Drug extraction are used in phytochemical study, biological study and pharmaceutical preparation. Asmin Ritu is Bheshajam Preksha refer to the collecting during the specific season. Then these are the questions came in paper. Next MCQ is following is not among the classification of Jangma. Jarayuja, Svedaja, Andaja are the Jangma classification, but Moolaja is a Sthavara. Guru is from Brahmanam Shakti, Ruksha is a Soshana Shakti. So when you match this two, you can get the right answer for this question. Select the correct statement among the following. Rasa of the Dravya is perceived immediately. Anurasa is not formed in the dry. So all the statement are right when you study this. Srishta Venumutra is the Guna Karma of Madhura and Amla Vipaka. And many students will comment PDF and all. So before commenting PDF, watch this full video because in the last of the video I will tell you where you will get this PDF. Complete the shloka. Karma Lakshanam is Vipaka because Vipaka we can perceive by the only this action. Select the suitable example for Vichitra Pratyartha. So B and C, that Ajmoda and Ashwagandha when you see it's not a Samanya Pratyartha, it's a Vichitra Pratyartha. Kritmalka is the example of Sramsana according to Sharantara. This is again repeated question. Chatur Jataka Dravya include Tavak, Ela, Patra and Naga Kesara. Then dash is not among the ADR. So A is augmented, B is bizarre, I have written here, C is chronic, D is delayed, E is exit. Dangerous effect is not there. PCIMH is a Pharmacopoeia Commission of India, Medicine and Homeopathy. So again full form are very important. They are asked in so many papers. Dravya Guna Shastra is firstly defined by Chunekar KC. Plant used for treatment of cut and wounds by tribal people is Etheromedicine. Find out the correct example for substitute is Chitraka is Danti. According to Acharya Charka, Prashast Bheshya should have following property, but it should not have Vyadita, means it should not cause disease, it will cure the diseases. Which is the software used for docking a ligand and protein target, that is a LigDock. Which of the following equipment is used for making extract of medicinal plant is Clevenser apparatus. Dash Nigandu named plant based on the 7 criteria Raja Nigandu. Here also when you match the column you will get the answer. This type of question is asked so many times, so study this Dravya Sangra portion. According identify the target and developing the biomarkers in bioinformatic objective unde. IUCN classification of drug is given below. There are critically endangered and extinct and vulnerable, but rare are not explained there. Then this is the question Vipaka Taratama, that is common in the old paper, and in books it's not given that much good explanation, so I have written here. When you get this PDF you can read from here. Next MCQ is Vata and Udampara are example of Vanaspati because they don't have flower, fruit is only there. Yasya Dravya se Klirne Karme Shakti, ये स्निग्धा गुण का करेक्टर है. Following are the Adan Karm like Adhar Bhuta Dravya for the Rasa formation is Jala and Prithvi. Vipaka is a Karma Nishtha we can get by Karma itself. Next is that principle is the most potent one in Dravya. The Virya. Virya is the most potent thing. Devdali Phyllis and Shamshodna. For Stambhana, Vatsaka and Dunduka explain. For Shamana, Amrita and Rasayana, Amrita, Rudanti, Guglu are explained. Dash website can be used to get the information about the phytochemical present in a plant is implant. The full form I have already written. Tunduka is example of Shonaka based on the Rudi among the Rajanigandu 7 classification of nomenclature. That book is considered Dravya Guna Shastra as a separate specialty by P.V. Sharma. Indication of Chaturbija is Pavanam. It's good for Vata, Nulomana and along Ajirna, Ama related condition. Global Center for Traditional Medicine established in Jamnagar. Vriksha Ayurveda is written by Surapala. Soxalate apparatus is used for extraction. These are some common questions that is coming in next paper also, so you have to see this. And unique database Wikibase is related with the pharmacovigilance. Here pharmacovigilance data is there. Season 4th Sangra is Sharad Ritu. Evaluation for tannin alkaloid is phytochemical because they are the phytochemical of a plant. IUCN is established in 1948. Jeevaka and Rishabhika's substitute is Vidari Kanda. Cytoscope is a software that is used for construct possible pharmacological network. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास MCQ हो जाएगा. चिकित्सा चतुष्पादा डजंट इल्क उपस्था बिकॉज इट इज भिषक द्रव्याणि उपस्थाता रोगी. So right answer is Bheshjakara is not included. The plant which not have visible flower is called Vanaspati. Biological Diversity Act came in 2002. Number of Paradi guna is 10. When all the factors are having similar strength, then the scenario Virya overpower Vipaka and Rasa. Madhura Rasa has predominance of Apa and Prithvi. This is very common and easy question. IUCN was established in 1948. Madhura Vipaka is a Vata Pitta Shamna and it will increase the Kapha. Yen Kurvanti Tat Viryam definition हो जाएगा. Net logo is referred to network visualization. Percolation is a type of extract preparation. Karma of Nagakesara, it is basically Pachna. Anulomna is Haritiki. Samshamna is Amrita. Shodhana is Sevdali Phala. Unique database Wikibase is related with the pharmacovigilance. Global Center, again repeated question. Jamnagar is established in April 2022. Kunpa Jilla refer to liquid manure that is used for like previous type field area. Malayaja is a synonym of Chandana that is due to its location, Dodeshokta. Guduchi is one among the Valli Panchmula climber. Evaluation for moisture content, loss on strength, this all are physical evaluation of a drug. Ativisha substitute is Musta. So many repeated time question. Drug bank refer to identify drug candidate. And the next paper is which is a Sreshta among this. So among all this Dravya is a Sreshta because all this reside in a Dravya. Amra and Jambu are example of Vanaspati because they have flower as well as fruit. How many Sharira Guna are mentioned? 20. Which two Mahabhuta are predominantly found in Kashaya Rasa is Prithvi and Vayu. Then if all have similar strength, then Virya or Pai Vipaka and Rasa. These are again some repeated questions, so important. Biotransmission page is a Vipaka. According to Chakrapani, Chintya Shakti is the Virya, Achintya Shakti is a Prabhava. IUCN established in 1948. Devdali, for example of Shodhana. Percolation is a type of extract application. According to the Rajanigantu, following are not factor for drug nomenclature. So Sabhava is not there, Prabhava is mentioned. Next is according to, I think Dravya is not there. So right answer will be the D option in this question. According to the Acharya Charka, which desha is not suitable for health? Anupadesha, because it will having some moisture content and chances of kapha dominant diseases are there. What is the time of collection of root according to Acharya Charka? Grishma. Indirect consequence of primary action of a drug. So it is called secondary because they are indirect consequences of primary action. Vriksha Ayurveda of Shurapala belong to 10th century. Matador refer to target drug interactions. CCRS full form is Central Counseling for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences. Which among the following is a Pratinidhi Dravya for Pushkar Mula is Kushta. Bioinformatic concerned with the collection, storage and analysis. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं full form are asked many times, so it's important. Sa Indriya Chetan Dravyam Niredhyam Achetam EC. Parati Guna called as also Chikitsa Upyog Guna, very important. Pumsatvam Hanti Indriyani Prudhanti Vali Palitani. So generally Vali Palitam, wrinkling and premature graying is a feature of Lavana Rasa. Shukra Nashna is a guna of Amla and Katu Rasa. Shukra is a feature of Madhur Vipaka. According to the Charka, hardwood is collected in Hemanta Ritu. Kinchit Rasena Kurute Karmam Viryena Chapram Dravyam Gunen Paken and Kinchit Prabhavan. Right answer will be the B option. Trimida Dravya are indicated in Krimi and you have to comment what are the 3 drug in Trimada. Following is the not one among the Panch Diktikam Dravya Karavelakam. Following is the correct sentence for a definition of pharmacovigilance is detecting ADR, preventing ADR, understanding and assessing ADR. CCRS stand for Central Counseling for Research in Ayurvedic Science. According to Shurapala, Vriksha Ayurveda, plant kingdom classified into following based on the Vanaspati, Druma and Lata, Oshadha. So here he didn't classify about Oshadha. Next question is 4 pillar of good cultivation is all of the above. Network pharmacology is deal with the process in which new candidate medications are discovered and attempting to understand drug action. Next question is following are not among the quality. C is the right answer. Chitrika is a Deepna Pachna. Tikshna, Tandula, Pippali, fruit purchase Tikshna Guna are example of Lanchana type of nomenclature in Rajanigandu. Then C is the right answer for next question. Medhya Karma is shown by Madhura and Tikta Rasa. Then in silico refer to the network pharmacology, and if you want to get this PDF of this paper, you will get in the description. So watch full video to get where it is found in the description. You can download it from there and solve the MCQ. Thank you guys.